Hi guys, it is your girl Demetrius and I am here in Orlando and we are going to visit Universal Studios for the next couple of days. And I wanted to go through a list of essentials that you may need when you decide to go to Orlando and visit Universal Studios and the new Epic Universe. All right, the first thing I want to show you, it is something that I got new a couple of weeks ago, and it is this Bogg bag, and I think it's called It's a Beauty on their website for like 30 bucks, but I thought that this would be very essential to take with me on our trip to Universal. You can actually see the inside here, and it has an inside pocket as well, and you can stuff a lot of stuff in here actually that you will need on your trip, but also it's easy to put inside of another bag or a book bag that you will be putting on your shoulder. So inside my Bogg bag, I am going organizer. I want to say that this is pretty much an organizer to keep your things pretty organized while it's in your bag. So you want to have some sunscreen. You want to make sure you have like some kind of spray because it's going to get real muggy out and you're going to be sweating a lot, so you don't want to go without having something that's going to be refreshing for your body. So this is a whole body sensitive deodorant, but you can spray it all over. You also need your hand sanitizer. And with it being so hot, I mean, it is June, so you want to make sure that, you know, you're hydrated and everything. And if you're not, you know, who knows, you might end up getting a headache. So Tylenol. When you're traveling with kids, you want to make sure you have a handy dandy first aid kit. You also want to make sure you have some hand wipes for the little ones. The other thing you need to have is help you with some hydration. So you want to have some liquid IV. So you want to make sure you take a couple of these and put it in your essentials kit. You want to make sure you have a poncho because, I mean, it is raining a lot here in Florida this month. So you want to always make sure you have a handy emergency poncho. And these are like $2 at Walmart. And you can kind of see how that looks. You can zip it up. And there you go, easily to place inside your bag, your book bag, okay? All right, the next list of items are items that I'm just going to put inside my book bag, but also these items are very essential. You're gonna need these while you're walking through the park. So here it is. So you want to make sure you have your shades. Keep the sun out your eyes, protect your eyes from the sunlight. A reusable water bottle. This easily can stick to the side of your book bag, and it's very light as well. An umbrella. You want to have a portable fan. If you don't want to eat junk food the entire time, grab you some protein bars. I got a couple here. This one is a blueberry pie. It's a brand new flavor. And also red velvet flavored protein bar. And these are 28 grams of protein. So this can definitely come in handy while you're doing all that walking, and you might, you know, not be ready for lunch just quite yet, but you can still get your protein in, and it's easy to pack these. You want to bring a cooling towel. This is a towel that you can wet. And it will keep you cool for hours. This definitely will help out when it's really hot outside and you're sweating and the sun is just scorching. You can put this like around your neck. And this is just good to have in general. If you're traveling with your family, you got kids, you want to take a pack of ponchos. This is a 10-pack. That way, you know, with us going there for 2 days, you know, all of us would have a poncho, you know, one poncho per day. And these are very, I want to say very like flimsy, so you just never know, you may not be able to reuse these. So it's best to get the 10-pack, that way you have enough for the couple of days that you will be in Universal. Also, a portable charger. You want to make sure you have this available. You want to make sure you plug it up, charge it the night before. That way, you know, if you spend 8 or 9 or 10 hours in Universal, you will have a space to charge your phone, your camera or whatnot, your family members' phone and devices. So make sure you have that as well. And lastly, you need a hat to help keep the sun from beaming on your head. It'll help keep the sun out of your eyes. So definitely make sure you bring a hat with you to Universal. All right, y'all. And the last thing is you need a backpack, right? You need something that's going to be easy to carry all of your belongings while you're in the park. And this backpack actually has a water bottle holder on this side and also one on this side, so I can easily carry my water bottle and my 9-year-old's water bottle easily. All right, so that is everything you need to be successful and to have a stress-free time at Universal Studios.